Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and my friend got this new Hellcat Red Eye. Really cool Charger, 807 horsepower. And so he invited us to take part in a very momentous occasion with these, some that it seems a lot of people might overlook because you always see them driving around with the yellow bumper guards on. But I just want to show you how easy it is to take these off. All you have to do is, you can even do this with your fingers, a screwdriver is better, but you just pull the tab down and it releases just like any ordinary pin. Then you pull it out and they come right off. And the thing I was noticing is there's the protective film here on the bumper still, so if you see people driving around with these, it's probably likely they took them off, pulled off the tape, and then put them back on. But anyway, when he showed up to the car meet, it looked a lot better without them. I think it's kind of a cool thing to keep your hands on, and like, don't throw them away because they came with the car kind of thing. Like, that's cool, but I think they throw the car off. So it looked a lot cleaner without them. And anyway, they're just really easy to take off. So I just wanted to show a video of that. And so anyway, here's my other friend's GT350, really cool 2020. And we had a lot of good conversations there. And we also had another friend of mine who showed up with his dark shadow gray Cobra. So you may have remembered this car from earlier. I had it in a video once where we were all together. It's very low mileage. It was something like 16,000 miles on it, and really nice condition. He has the Gen 4 Whipple 2.9 on it, and he's running E85. He's in the 700 horsepower range, still doing some tuning on it, full return system. He has the head cooling mod that connects to the front. So this is the smaller one. He says when he takes the transmission off again, he'll do the one that connects the back of the heads, which I like that one a little bit better. He has a return fuel system on it that he has all pieced together from 4, similar to the one that we installed on Justin SVT's car. So I can throw you a link to that in the description, show you how to install that if you're interested in seeing that. And he has the KMJ alternator on it, and it's doing really well. I don't remember if he did the full Big 3 upgrade or not. I'll put links to that in the video description as well if you want to see it. But looks good. His oil level looks good and nice clear color. I'm about ready to change the oil in my supercharger on my Whipple. But he has a powder-coated cam covers, and he still has the originals. But a very beautiful car inside. And he has the Aeroforce interceptors, which he was telling me are really hard to find now, the dual setup. And his seats just look very nice for being low mileage. Not a lot of bolster wear or anything like that. So very clean looking car here. I love dark shadow gray. I think it's a really nice color. And, I'm more of the bright color ones, my red Mustang, my screaming yellow. But this is definitely a very nice color as well. So I just wanted to share that with you. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.